Hey everyone, welcome back to the MS Word tutorial series. In today's video, we are exploring the text group inside the Insert tab. And trust me, this section makes your document look creative, stylish and professional. We will cover text box, word art, drop cap and date time. So let's jump in right now. First of all, I will show you about the text box. So to insert a text box, just go to the insert and text box. You will see different built-in styles. You can either choose a ready-made design or draw your own text box. Text boxes are super useful when you want to highlight important information. You can move, resize and format the text box freely, just like shapes. You can also change background color, border and text style to match your design. So you can adjust the formatting of your text box just like a shape, and you can make it more attractive. Now the next is word art. This is where your text becomes eye-catching. Go to insert word art and choose a style. Once you type your text, you can apply colors, shadows, glow effects, 3D transformations. Word art is perfect for titles, headings, posters, social media style designs. It helps your document stand out instantly. Okay, now let's add a professional touch with drop cap. So drop cap, this feature makes the first letter of a paragraph large and decorative. You usually see this in books, magazines or articles. You can choose drop inside the paragraph or in margin outside the paragraph. It gives your document a clean, elegant look. Finally, let's insert date and time. So to insert date and time, just go to insert date and time. You will see multiple formats like full date, short date, time with date. Just select a format and click on OK. You can enable update automatically so the date changes every time you open the document. This is useful for reports, logs and official documents. And that's it. Now you know how to use text box, word art, drop cap and date and time inside the insert tab. These tools help you turn simple text appealing and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe us. And in the next video, we will explore another section of the insert tab.